Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access, Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll down again, click on Privacy section and tap on Permission Manager. Sorry, misclick. Finally, you can click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. In my case, microphone. Now tap on one of your apps, like camera, and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case, I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. So now when I go back, as you can see, camera no longer has access to my device's microphone. If you want to, you can always select any feature and then click on an app that you are interested in, like Messages. Over here, scroll all the way down instead, click on See All Messages Permissions, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!